drone pool here. I have the Tyro 99 out today. I'm going to do its maiden flight, just a hover test and a blind of sight test. I'm not going to fly FPV. I don't have enough room here. I just want to get some air under it and just kind of see how she feels. I have my goggles. I'll try and record some FPV footage from these, but I'm just going to do a quick little line of sight hover test. So let's see how it goes. Alright, we should be good to go. Let's see. Wish me luck. Probably got to do a little bit of fine tuning to keep it from wobbling around. She wants to wander a little bit, so I'm going to have to fix that. But she flies. My very first build. This is my first true 5-inch quad. It doesn't have a lot of powerful punch, but it's really not designed to. This is for beginners. So I'm okay with that. So she flies. Yeah, it's not quite as punchy as my XJB 145, but I'm okay with that. I really am. All right. flight. Why are them better? Why is that motor's twitching? Okay, motors don't feel warm. They feel good, so that's a good sign. Nothing feels hot. I don't see no smoke. So maybe I'm good to go with this thing. Sweet. Now I guess the next step is just put goggles on and fly it. But I don't have the room here. I need to do that. So, alright, that's what I wanted to do. Just wanted to get I recorded some footage. I'll look at that when I get home. Alright. So that was my very first flight with the Tyro 99. Alright, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Catch you later. This is Drone Pool signing out.